we are not just learning how to speak or how to sound like the native people, but we are also learning about their culture and everything that is happening in that culture or around the world. I'm Phương, and I am currently studying at Văn Lang University. I major in interactive media arts, and I am also working part-time as a UI and UX design. My strength, I would have to say, speaking.
Oh, really?
Yeah, that I think previously that was like my only strength, speaking, because I watch a lot of TV shows and I kind of pick up the accent and the idioms and the expressions that they make on TV. So yeah, strength. My strength was definitely Andy. He was pretty upbeat, and it influenced me that that is the right attitude that we should have when we try to learn a culture. A new language, a new culture. Like that is the approach that we should have. Like we are not just learning how to speak or how to sound like the native people, but we are also learning about their culture and everything that is happening in that culture or around the world. What are the world's point of view or perspective on certain things? Like in different cultures, they have a different approach and a different point of view. So we're just learning a lot about mindsets and world events, not just the language. So I think that he was really inspiring when it comes down to that. And I think that for me, he is one of the rare teachers that is just really dedicated to his students. Because what I like most about his teaching methods is that he has notes that he made, like Andy's super steps, or and he print them out, and he would make sure that he would make sure all of us know that during his time teaching and training IELTS students, these are the things that students make mistakes the most in. And he made sure that we knew that too. He shares as much as he can, and I really appreciate that.